Hello! Today I want to show you how I made this monster picture. Hi, my name is Mika and I'll be with Photigy for a while and I'll show you how I make my pictures. But before that, let me give you a simple suggestion. Whatever you're shooting, be sure to make it very stable. As you can see here, I used this spigot and then I taped it to the can to make it even more secure. You can glue or find some other way to make it stable. As you probably already know, you can often come up with great ideas by just observing stuff around you. I found this piece of cardboard and I thought it had an interesting shape, so it could look good in the photo. I painted it black and then I remembered there's this fantastic alien poster, and maybe I could make a tribute to this poster. I didn't want to replicate it, I just wanted to make a tribute to this great poster. Then I just moved around the cardboard and I tried until I found something that I liked and looks good in the picture. I started out with two lights at the bottom, one just pointing up. The second light is a similar LED light, which you can see here now, and to make things more interesting I made it green, as you can see right now. You can't really see well what's going on in the picture because of the ambient light. It's just that I needed some ambient light to shoot the video, otherwise it will be dark. But let me just fix something and then you can finally understand what is going on. So then I set another light on the top which has a Fresnel attachment just to get a kind of gradient, and it's pointing down so you can see the cardboard piece. But in this case you can just try a simple honeycomb grid. It's a cheaper alternative and probably you already have it. Now I will turn off the light so you can see what is going on. And to get a better idea, I'm moving the light on the top now, so you can see the light effect. I'm trying to find a nice way to make the cardboard piece interesting, and I can just move the barn doors around and play a little just to get something that is even better. If you look through the camera now, you will get an idea what is going on. And then if you look at the monster can, it doesn't look good. There is still some ambient light reflected, and I will need to turn off all the ambient lights to get rid all of the bad reflections. I used this projection attachment to lead the front part of the monster can, and then I turned off all of the remaining ambient lights. And you will see now with this attachment how I lit the can, so it looks nice. And with this projected light I can move it precisely and light only the monster can. It works better if you put the front light high, so you won't notice the reflection of the light in the camera. Then I used some light sticks to make a nice line and to make the bottle more interesting. So here I will use two of these sticks on both sides. Look now what's going on in the camera. You see the light making this line, and see if I move it, the line moves. So I need to position it in a nice place. Then I added the second light, and you see there's another line, and now finally after everything is set, it's time for the fog. And this is the best part. That's it. 3, 2, one, go. You see, that's the monster picture. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and let me know in the comments what do you think.